Hi guys, Mar here, and today I'm going to show you how you can improve your call quality using the new AirPods Max 2. If this guide helps you, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. All right, so the first thing we're going to do is we're just going to try to call someone. We're going to see if my dad, let's say, picks up right now. As you can see, when you call someone, this little audio button is going to show right here. You're going to select that to make sure you're connected to your AirPods and you're not on speaker or with your AirPods. Now, after this person answers, what you're going to do is you're going to scroll down. So you're going to drag down your phone, and right here on this little icon, you're going to select it. And here you have different options to make the quality of your call better. You can select noise cancellation, conversation awareness. You can turn it off, honestly, because that just means it's going to allow you to talk to somebody else. And then you can select the spatial audio that you want. So you can select head tracked. You can also select fixed, which is meaning that you're going to receive the audio all around, or off. Hola papi, ¿cómo estás? And that's it. I hope this video helped.